This video is to help ease your pain if you're having a back incident. So as always, stay inside your bubble of goodness and let that expand to have your life back. So you're going to start by lying down on a firm yet comfortable surface and put your legs up in a chair. And just rest there and breathe, ideally in through your nose, calming to your nervous system, and out through your mouth. Stay here as long as you need. From here, you're going to bring a single knee to the armpit and then put it back in the chair. You can hug behind your thigh or close to your knee. When that goes well, you can do it with your legs on the floor but still bent. When that goes well, you can do it with your legs out long. Be careful, because this part, when you go to take your leg from here to the floor, your hip flexors are firing eccentrically, and you don't want it to tug on your back like that, because even if your hip flexors did not get you into this, I guarantee they got involved. So just be really careful with that. Go back to the other versions if you need to. From there, go into pelvic tilts. See my video on 2 versions of pelvic tilts, and hug your legs in, rock a little side to side, perhaps some fairy dust, and then when you're a little bit stronger, cat-cow, and get very strong.